Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at what I think is one of the most functional ankle dorsiflexion mobility drills, especially if you're working on the squat, because it's basically a squat with an added stretch to it. So it's basically get the best carryover to your squat if that's the motion we're working on. We're going to start grabbing a light kettlebell, come up into this goblet squat position. We're going to squat down, chest up, whatever your normal squat looks like. And then you can do it one of two ways. You can either just lean into it, or you can put the weight on top of one side and do that first. That'll get you a little bit of an added stretch, but you can do either one. The key is you're not leaning to the side, you're leaning over the knee. So you're literally pushing over the knee, trying to get that knee farther over the toe, which same thing as kind of that half kneeling stretch we talked about earlier. Will give you a little stretch in the back of the heel, that Achilles area, and a little bit in the calf. We'll show you from the other angle as well. So we'll come up here. As you can see, we're going forward. So pushing that knee over the toe, you can see we get more range of motion over the toe. Whatever your regular squat position is, you want to have more motion than that, because if you have to sit at in range of ankle motion, it's not going to be comfortable. You're going to end up with some ankle pain eventually. So you always want to have more motion than what you're trying to express during functional movements. Same thing here. We can kind of stay here and oscillate back and forth about a minute on each side. Really trying to work that motion in the ankles. Big keys here. Keep the heels on the floor at all times. Keep the toes going over the knees, because that's what the motion we're really working on with pertaining to the squat, which usually your knee position is going to be anywhere from lined up perfectly with the toes to a little bit on the outside. So whatever your knee position is, preferably keep it in that angle. And this one, same thing, kind of oscillating. You can hold it for a little bit as well. For me personally, I kind of like to oscillate back and forth. And then once again, test your motion after you've done it to see if you've improved at all, and you can track your progress. Okay guys.